you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have something to show you from Jeulia Jewelry. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this just arrived by Jeulia Jewelry, and they did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing jewelry to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys know I have been loving Jeulia Jewelry for years and years and years. I think they pretty much, I think I got them about my first or second year even doing YouTube, so it's been at least 6 years, I would say, 5-6 years. And I love everything that they have, from watches to bracelets to necklaces to earrings. They have jewelry boxes, sunglasses, bags. They have so many different amazing things on their website. You can definitely go take a look. They do have a code for you guys, which is SheCrafty15, and that would get you 15% off. So if you're interested in any of their amazing pieces from their website, you can use my code SheCrafty15 to get that 15% off. I will have them all linked down below in the description box if you like to go check them out. Now, Jeulia Jewelry, they get a hold of me from time to time and they ask if I will be willing to show you guys some more jewelry. And what I've been doing lately is seeing if I can get the items and gifting it to you guys, because I really would love to share their amazing jewelry with you guys. The more hands I can get their jewelry in, the better, because I absolutely love them. This is the only jewelry company that's not like a crystal jewelry, that's like jewelry that I recommend. Everybody else I do not bring on my channel. I don't even answer emails if they write me. This is the only one that I back because I wear their jewelry all the time, and I absolutely love everything that I have when it comes to them. So I definitely recommend them, and they are the only company that I will be showing you guys. So they did get a hold of me and they asked if I would be willing to choose 2 different products from their new Mother's Day specials. And I'm like, ooh, can I choose them and give them to my viewers? And they said yes. So this is another giveaway for you guys, and I'm so excited to be able to do this. So I went through all of the different options that was on their Mother's Day sale, and I chose 2 different ones. So you're gonna look at them, see which one you would like, if you would like to enter into the giveaway, and then you'll tell me which one you want to enter in for, and 2 lucky winners are going to win what's inside this box. Now, they did send it in their box that has 2, and they're not going to go to the same person, so I'll have to remove these and send the box to you. There is a bag and a card, and I think there's a card in this one too. So what I'll do is I'll probably send the one bag that has their regular card with one, and then this card with the other one, because again, I don't have 2 complete sets to send to you guys, but the jewelry is what's the most important thing, and that's right there. Also on top, you will get this card that says stop, drop, and roll. Not really, just stop. If you get a ring or you get something that's like personalized or sized, there will be this little tag on there. And basically what this is telling you is make sure it fits 100% before you remove that tag. If you remove the tag, then you void your warranty. So make sure it's 100% before you remove that tag. Because then you also have one of their brochures. These are absolutely amazing. It goes over some of their designs. And again, I'm just telling you, their stuff is breathtaking. It's so beautiful. It always just shines so bright. Recently, I've been having like actual real diamonds and stuff, so that's why I haven't been really wearing Jeulia as much, because my mom gave me a lot of her jewelry for me to wear. And ooh, that is a butterfly right there. So that's the only reason why I'm not wearing them as much as I was, but I still have everything that I've gotten from them, and I love everything, and I do wear them from time to time now, just not as much as I did before. Before it was like every single day. So there's that paperwork on top. Here is the bag that you normally get when you do purchase, because if it is for a gift, you can drop it right down inside of this little gift ready bag. In here is a cleaning cloth, and oh, and there's only 1 cleaning cloth, so there's only going to go 1 cleaning cloth. So there you go. And this one has this as a greeting card. So again, one of them I'll drop down in this bag and it'll go in that one. And the other one will go with this one, which is a really cute card. I don't know if this is like an add-on or if this is something for Mother's Day, because I've never seen a card like this. but it says especially for you with a really pretty flower. And then it's all white on the inside, so you can write your own message. And then you just slide this down into the envelope, and then there's an actual sticker that you can use to close the envelope with. So again, this one will go in one, and this one will go into the other. Okay, so let's go with the first one, and it's down inside of this. Let's see, I honestly can't even remember, but I know I chose both the same type. I think they're bracelets, yes. I chose 2 different bracelets because bracelets can go on anybody's wrist, and they have this really cool like adjustable part here, so it'll fit everybody's wrist. So I thought that would be the perfect thing for this giveaway. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. So this one has all of their proprietary stones that run across the top, and then it looks kind of like a rose gold little design that just goes right over the top of it. But look at how beautiful and how shiny, sparkly. And then again, you do have this little pull where you can make it as big or as small as you would like. It's completely adjustable. And then you have these 2 little dangles, and they even have little stones inside of them as well. So super, super pretty. Look at that. And just bling, 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 bling. Oh my goodness. That is really, really pretty, you guys. And if you wanted just to see how it would look on, look at how gorgeous that is. Since it's a bracelet, I feel like I can just put that on. But look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. Hopefully this goes to somebody who is going to love it. So for the giveaway, I will explain all the rules in a moment after I show the other one. And you can choose it for yourself or for a mother in your life to go, or for any type of a gift if you would like. I mean, it'll be yours to do whatever you would like to it. I just think that is so pretty. And then like the 2 bigger stones right in the middle. Oh, that's just so, so pretty. Okay, so now let's go with the second one right here. Oh wait, no, this one actually is a necklace. That's right, I did choose one of each, so you can choose what you think would be better for whoever it's gonna go to. Like I said, yourself or another, but I did do the same kind of color scheme. So it has like that rose gold, like infinity hoop that goes right down the front of it with the bigger stone, and then all the smaller stones around it. That is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So you have your necklace. Here is the chain. If you have your own chain that you want to wear, like it longer or anything like that, you could always just swap it out to your own chain, but it does come with a standard size chain, and that is just absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited for these to go to you guys. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. And this literally would go together like a set. Like that is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Ah! Okay, you guys. So now that I've showed you both, there's the necklace and the bracelet. Now you get to choose, again, for yourself or for another, whoever you want it to go to. It would be perfectly fine, it's yours. Which one you would like better, the bracelet or the necklace? And then I will tell you what the rules will be in just a moment. But oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. Okay, so again, with Jeulia Jewelry, you can use my code SheCrafty15 to save 15% off of their amazing prices that they have on their website. And I do want to tell you a little bit about them, just because I love to tell you this information, just so you kind of get a little bit more insight on the company. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. They have a chart on their website, which is a Jeulia stone versus a mined diamond. Looks like a diamond, check, check for both. Durable, check, check for both. Hardness is a 9 for a Jeulia stone and a 10 for a mined diamond. Density is 5.70 for a Jeulia and 3.52 on a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for a Jeulia, and potential harmful mining is only for a mined diamond, and you will save so much money going to a Jeulia stone than a regular real mined diamond. Measuring an impressive 9 out of a possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. They have 30-day returns, free standard shipping of orders over $99, a 1-year warranty, flexible financing, secure shopping, and all of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. All right, you guys, so that is everything that I wanted to share and tell you about the company. You can take a look at everything that they have to offer. They have so many different things. Again, so many different products, not just jewelry. There's other things on there as well. So if you would like to take a look, definitely go pop on over to Jeulia and see what they have to offer. If you would like to know the rules for this giveaway, I will let you know right about now. So same as all my other simple and sweet rules for my giveaways. Number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here actively supporting me on my channel. I want to say thank you to you guys. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can enter into this and any other future giveaway that I have on my channel. I do them quite often because I love to give back to you guys. I do as much as I can. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave one comment down below in the comment section saying sharing is caring, and put either necklace or bracelet. You know, I'm actually going to do a third winner for all of these items right here. So this is a look at everything that will be in the third option, just in case you do not want the jewelry, or if you just want these products instead of the jewelry. I had a lot of stuff in my giveaway pile already filled up, so might as well go ahead and utilize this for one of you guys. So again, this is everything that is going to be in the third option. So if this is the one that you would want instead of the necklace or the bracelet, then you're going to put in your comment, sharing is caring, option 3. This right here again is going to be the option number 3. So if this is what you would like, then this is what you will select. But again, there will be 3 different winners now for this giveaway. And you must be over the age of 18, and you must have a United States address for me to mail this to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm mailing it to a United States address. And just be careful for scammers. I did have one time on a giveaway somebody saying like something at Telegram me. They even used my logo, but it said at Telegram me. Mine is only SheCrafty. No dot, no one, no numbers, no nothing. It is just SheCrafty. I will then comment back to you saying this right here. I will then say you have 48 hours to contact me back to claim your winnings, or a new winner must be chosen. The rules are rules. That's what I have to do. I've had to do it a few times and I don't like doing it. So I will then comment back to your comment. Hopefully you do see it. You have 48 hours to get a hold of me on anything, on my email or my socials, that kind of thing, to confirm your winnings. So be subscribed, like, comment what I said to comment, have a United States address for me to mail them to. Be over the age of 18, and be careful for scammers. Other than that, smile. That is all. Simple and sweet. So definitely comment down below and let me know, what do you think of Jeulia Jewelry? Did you see anything in there that you would want for yourself or for a gift? Do you like these that I chose for you guys? Definitely let me know. All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.